Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to purchase from Noon with Tamara. So let's get started. First open Noon application, then choose your product, and your order amount must be at least 100 dirham. Otherwise you cannot order with Tamara. Okay, then click on add to cart, view cart. Now click on checkout. Now you have to select your delivery address and scroll down. You will see payment option. Now simply click on Tamara, then click on slide to order. After that your order will be confirmed. So guys, if you think this video was helpful, please make sure you subscribe to my channel.